broke me off. There's a fish. Yes! He's going for it, bro. He's going for it. Jerk it a couple times. There he goes. Yes! Yes! We caught Aaron another bass! The slump is over. The slump of a lifetime is gone. So as you can see, we're out here on this crystal clear lake. It's like gin clear. And I got my buddy Aaron with me. Yeah, there he is. Little short kid. Dude, I still can't believe about that seagull. That was freaking awesome, bro. I am so happy I got it on video too. What? Dude, I got that on camera, man. What? Oh my god.
I just looked over and it was going down and I'm like, uh-oh.
Oh my god, dude. What the heck? He just broke me off. There's a fish. Yes! Yes, Aaron! We got Aaron a fish! Oh my gosh! We got him a fish! Finally! Aaron's first bass of the year.
You don't even know how to struggle. Oh, the slump of the year.
It's been a while.
Oh, the giant slump.
There we go. That's awesome.
That was just a bad slump is all that was.
Well, that was a great way to end the day. Had some interesting experiences just from all the fish we've been seeing, and it's a really nice lake. We're gonna have to come back here again. But we finally got Aaron a bass. Thank God. He has not caught a bass with me at all this year, and he clearly needed some help, but
It was just a slump.
it was a slump.
That's all it was.
That's all it was, guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. So here we've got some bonus footage. We're walking back to the car, and Aaron spotted another bass. I really hope you guys can see that, but he's right over there. Oh, he's turning. Oh, he's following it. Let sit. Let's go get the water back out, or get it back out there. I still see him. He's moving off to the right a little bit. Trick it right past his nose. Hurry up. Come on, man. I still see him. He's coming to us. He's coming to us. Stay very still. He's turning back around a little bit. He's headed back towards the right. I still see him. He's just sitting there. What the hell's the holdup, man? Yeah, he's coming back to us. Dude, he's just patrolling this area. You see him right there. Oh, he's going towards it. Yeah, he's going towards it. Here he comes, here he comes. He's going for it, bro. He's going for it. Jerk it a couple times. There he goes. Yes! Yes! We caught Aaron another bass!
Don't give me that.
Oh my gosh. We caught Aaron another bass.
I told you.
Let's go. We caught him another bass. The slump is over.
The slump.
The slump of a lifetime is gone.
Oh, shoot, he's kind of hooked.
There he goes. That's awesome. Gin clear lake, catching bass, just watching them eat it. It's an awesome lake here. And yep, pretty cool. Aaron's got his slump over. Finally caught a fish. Actually, he caught 2 fish. So yeah, for sure this time. Have to see you guys on the next one.